Got it. "15.5" smallmouth on the baby bull shad. Yeah, he got us a little wet on that one. Hopefully we got some pretty good footage of it though. All right, let's go around the other side of this tree where we caught that one. See if we can't draw another one up. Man, I threw that right between that rock and that tree, and it hit the water, and I turned maybe a quarter of a turn, and that thing lit it up. I got some footage, underwater footage, of what that baby shad looks like. That, keep calling it the baby shad, but it's the baby bull shad. What it looks like swimming in the water. I'll include that in the video. But I really like that baby bull shad. I think I paid under 15 bucks for it at Sports Academy, which I thought was kind of cheap for a Mike Buka, but that's what it was. Spinnerbait's must get hung up. That was a fish. I got it that time. I thought there might be a little, I thought there might be a little spot hanging out in there. Let's see if he's aggressive enough to hit it again. That was a huge one. And I didn't set the hook. Well, we know this works. I don't know what that was, but it was huge. Looked like a huge smallmouth. Damn it. I thought I was on a rock. Oh, there's a bunch of carp. I wonder if I didn't have a carp. It didn't look like a carp when it came up though. I got something, and it feels good. Yeah, not as good as what I'd hoped, but it's not a bad one. It's a little smallie. I don't know why he's bleeding. I didn't get him anywhere. Nice little smallie. About 10 inches. He fought a lot. It's got a little switchback right up here. It's a tree that I don't want to get into. Man, I'm still bummed out about that. That was a good fish. And I think the video is going to show it with a smallmouth. And a big smallmouth. Here's that tree I was laying back there. Ooh, oh, a little release from the... little smallie. Where is your dad at? Or your mom? Little bitty smallie. 7 inches maybe. Shit been blowing me backwards. Got a little spot. Bright white that belly is. Pretty little spot. Bright white belly. Having the pole. That should be good. And I went right through the middle of that. seeing us, we might be able to get him to hit a lure. Wasn't a huge one, but it wasn't bad either. Got it. Oh, I had it. And I would say that was probably him. Damn it, I think he hit it again. Got him that time. Nice little spot. Got a fat little belly on him. He's feeding up. There's only one over there. Is he the only one? Or was that a couple different ones that were hitting it? Still up in there. One more time. Yeah, I think it was just the one hitting it every time. There was two of them for sure, but I think it was just the one hitting it every time. Felt like that sucker started to swim sideways. That's why I set the hook. Oh, I got it. Smallmouth. Starting to bite now. Yeah, about a 9, maybe a 10-inch smallmouth.